Hi, and welcome to the Property Show. My name is Nancy. Are you about to buy your first home, or to invest in real estate, or just to move from one space to another? CFC Stanbic Bank will be sharing with us on how to get into the property ladder. The Property Show continues to provide you with expert advice, current trends, tips, home accessories, and showcase other properties available in the market. There is something for everyone. Today we are at KICC, where they are hosting the Classic 105 and CFC Stanbic Bank Homes Expo. We'll be talking to the CFC Stanbic Bank team to tell us about their exciting products. Thank you so much for having us, and congratulations on this beautiful expo.
Great, thanks Nancy. It's actually great to see you here, and we're looking forward to a really exciting weekend here.
What drove you to doing an expo? This is out of the norm for banks to actually host Kenyans to an expo where we can see every house we want. What motivated CFC Stanbic?
Well, I think we wanted to do something different. I think we see a great opportunity, given where the property market is. There's a huge demand out there, I think, from Kenyan customers, and we just wanted to access them in a way which was slightly different, slightly unique. And I think by partnering with Classic FM, I think we found the ideal partner.
That's a very good answer, because a lot of Kenyans perceive CFC Stanbic as a very high-end bank. Is that the position of the bank?
It's interesting. I think that's a perception, but hopefully this weekend will prove otherwise. I think we're here to be accessed and to be visited by all Kenyans. Anybody who is interested in a home loan, a property loan, a vehicle loan, come and test us out.
What is your strategy, and how do you expect to roll it out on your new products that are very interesting, especially the 100% loan and, of course, your interest rate that is the lowest in the market at the moment?
Well, maybe starting with our base rate, and I think maybe the thing to stress there, that's our everyday base rate. It's not a special offer, it's not a part sale. It's something that we want to offer to everybody, especially this weekend. I think that's key for us, and at the same time, 100% home loan is because we think that a deposit actually puts off or is a hindrance to a lot of first-time property owners particularly. So we're hoping in this way that will make a home, a property, much more accessible to a lot more people as a consequence.
And how quick can I get an approval if I came to apply for a loan? Today we are seeing so many people wanting to be appraised. Will they know today whether they can get a loan, or what's the procedure?
Our commitment this weekend is we'll give an agreement in principle on a home or property loan within 24 hours. We've spent a lot of time actually making sure that all of the CFC Stanbic people and our fulfillment people and everybody who's involved in processing those applications is on standby and waiting to process everyone's applications.
Will this be the same after next week? Because we know in loans, processes kill the bank. We wait and wait forever. Have you managed to rectify the processes that banks take too long to approve loans?
I'd agree, we do take too long. I think we're focusing at the moment a lot of time and effort to try and improve that. And with the view that really on a day-to-day basis, we want to be able to give 48-hour turnaround times as business as usual. I think that's still going to take us, hopefully only a couple of months to sort out, but that's what we're striving towards, and I think that's what the customer actually needs and what they want.
Will you be able to do expos in the future, or this was a one-off?
No, I think even in advance of this weekend, I think the interest levels has just been phenomenal. We've got over 70 exhibitors here. This is just a special launch day today, Friday, and it's just the people here, just the numbers is just absolutely amazing. So I think it's something we see as a long-term strategy. We would like to partner with Classic FM going forward, so we see this as part of a longer-term strategy, and we're thinking also, how can we actually take this expo format out into Kenya? Because Nairobi is not the only place where there's a demand for property, it's all over Kenya.
That's a very good answer, because my next question was, are we going to see you in the counties?
You bet. We have presence we've got 22 branches. We are present in Mombasa on the coastal region. We are present in a lot of the major counties, and it's definitely our intention to get out there and to build on this success and what we learn out of this and to go into the counties.
And after Sunday, after the expo is completed, will we be able to find you in the offices with the same offer?
Yes, you know, I think obviously we've made this weekend, I think, specially attractive. So we've cut our facility fee as well. We've put together an offer of 13.5 across the board. This is an offer that is here for the next 2 days. But at the same time, our base rate is 13.5%. I'm very happy to have a discussion with everybody just as to whether they qualify for that.
Thank you so much.
Great.
And all the best.
Many thanks, Nancy.
We'll be right back. Don't go away. At the end of the show, we will give you the highlights on the products that CFC Stanbic Bank are offering today. Join us now as we see what happened at the Expo.
We have plots all over Kenya. Yeah. We have plots in Nairobi, Kitengela, Embakasi, at the river, and also in Mombasa.
We know that a lot of times when people are buying plots,
Yes.
a lot of people have not done their due diligence. Has the Tani done your due diligence?
Of course. We don't just buy a plot like that. We have to do the necessary things to ensure that whatever we are selling, it is valid and it is good. We do searches before we buy a plot, yeah? In the Hadhi house, we have to do a search to validate whether this plot is valid. Yes.
And your plots range from what price to what price?
They range from 550 to 2 million, depending on the area. But we are planning to do some cheaper ones, which we have not yet subdivided for 300,000, to make sure that we have accommodated everybody.
And where will they be?
They will be in Korompoi. Yeah.
And
yeah.
how long does it take to complete the transaction?
Legal period 3 months. Yeah, but we can negotiate with the customer. We can discuss with the customer. We extend the period. Yeah, up to 6 months. Yeah, because we want everyone to own a plot and a home. Yeah.
These are some of the type of the wallpapers which you have, like this one. Okay, you have wallpaper, you can put them in your residential houses, in your offices, everywhere, in your hotel, clubs, yeah, stuff like that.
Have you gotten business out of this expo?
Yeah, lots of it. And we are so grateful for that.
And what is your price range?
Okay, they range from 2,500 to 15,000. That is per roll, which by a roll, like that of 2,500, is covered 5 meters square. Yeah.
So these are the different ones?
Yeah, these are the different wallpaper which we have. We have different designs. Okay, the one which you choose, just put it for you. And also we can match the design. See like that one? These are 2 different wallpapers. Yeah, you choose from different designs. Then you match them. And then you come up with the outcome of it.
Asante sana.
Okay, Carrie, you have. Cusco itself was something that was there before. It has been there for a very long time. And it's the umbrella of all circles in Kenya. So we came up with a product called Cusco Housing Fund. This was to help our circle members to have their own dream homes and maybe build offices for them. So that's why we came up with something that would be friendly to them.
So people have become members. Who is eligible to become a member?
Someone who is in a circle.
Someone who is in a circle.
Yes, an individual.
And how much do you charge?
1,500 is the registration fee, after which you'll start paying. The minimum is 5,000
Every month?
every month.
And what's your process to get a loan?
To get a loan, first you have to have been with us for a period of 6 months. Then you start now applying. Then after applying now, you'll start saving.
So do you finance projects or end user? Who do you finance?
End user.
You finance the end
Yeah.
user. And
This
your-
is a project that is to come up in Kitengela. Yeah, but it's still underway. Yeah,
And how much is your interest rate?
14%
14%
on reducing balance.
on the reducing balance. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, Baobab Development Group is basically a property development company where we actually build holiday homes that we sell to investors, in which they have a home they can use for holiday instead of staying in a hotel. They have a fully furnished 1 or 2 bedroom house And also when they're not using these houses for holiday, we actually rent them out so that they're making rental return and return on their investment, basically. Yeah. So this development that we're currently promoting is quite new. It is now, the construction is complete, and we have built 32 units, 1 and 2 bedroom houses, fully furnished, which we are currently selling. We are more than 80% on construction number 2, which is the development down in the south coast in Diani, which is being overseen by one of our directors there. And then next to the development, which we call the village in Malindi, we have one of the resorts owned by one of our directors again, which is called Mwembe Resort. It has about 100 units. So those are the resorts that we've been currently running.
We are currently doing our phase 2. We have already sold out our phase 1, which consisted of 80 apartments. It's fully occupied. Our phase 2 consists of 160 apartments, and there are a lot of improvements in phase 2. We've made our apartments more practical in phase 2. Whatever improvement that we can add, we've added. CFC Stanbic is doing something really amazing in the mortgage industry, in the financial industry. Lower mortgages will definitely open the market for more people to access finance facilities. This is something I think other banks should follow suit, because we need our masses to be housed, definitely.
We know that Tamarind Properties is one of the names that we have had over and over again. How many properties or projects do you have?
We've successfully sold out 4 projects, and currently we're doing the Tamarind Valley, which is based in Embakasi, Utawala.
What is special about Tamarind Valley?
Tamarind Valley is a gated community which has apartments, mansionettes, and bungalows. It also has special features like the solar heating, and it has the biobox, which is sewer that is recycled for water, so that the community are able to have water throughout to water their gardens. And there's also a special feature with that we have. It has a lot of greenery. Above all, it's been a good investment for our company.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you at the site.
All right.
We're still at the classic 105 CFC Stanbic Bank Homes Expo at the KICC. Interesting time, and we'll be speaking to David from Radio Africa, who will tell us why an expo.
Thanks. Thank you. Why an expo? Because over the last 2 years, Classic 105 has had a number of property clients coming up to us and asking us to help them sell their property. And the response that we've gotten from them it's been amazing. I mean, we've had clients come back to us after a 2-week promotion and tell us they sold out their entire units. They've now moved on to another phase. And then once they come back, they tell us we want to extend on that success rate. So we hype up on that on radio. We ask people to go out and visit their open days and stuff. And I mean, we've just been getting some astonishing results. I mean, people coming up to us and telling us they've sold out 300 houses, 400 units, So the idea brought us to a point where we sat down and we asked ourselves, how can we extend this same kind of success from radio on ground? And that's why we came up with the idea of the Expo. And CFC Stanbic Bank are fantastic friends, and we went to them, and they also have an existing property, and we decided to join forces and bring their clients on board with our clients and just make one big team and just totally change the property market when it comes to radio and on-ground activations for expos.
Wow. But this has been very successful.
It has. We're really, really impressed. We're very surprised. I mean, it's been something that we've been working on for the last 8 weeks together with the CFC Stanbic Bank team. And I mean, it's astonishing. For us, it's the first time that we're going to do into events management as Classic 105, and so we wanted to use this as a kind of a measure to find out if the market is ready for this kind of an experience. And so far, so good. We're really excited about it. It's obviously going to be a long-term partnership, so we're already in talks about extending it every year, and making it like a 5-year showcase that we can do. And so for us, I mean, it's been an amazing time out. We've met so many people. The footfall has been amazing. A lot of the exhibitors have come back to us and told us that they've sold out a number of units. So yeah, we're
Tell
really
us about
happy.
the cars.
The cars, I mean, CarMax have sold like around 5 cars already in 3 days. I mean, we're really impressed about that. A number of people have come from and met with DT Dobie and inquired about the Nissans and the double cab pickups and stuff. Honda is also exhibiting, Chevrolet is also exhibiting, Shinery Motorcycles is also exhibiting, and I mean, those guys are really impressed with the turnout.
And also CFC Stanbic is holding your hand throughout the process.
Yes, indeed. You know, I mean, we've been working very closely with them, and we're really happy about the kind of customer service that they've extended to our clientele. And that's why we told our entire audiences, just come down over here. If you want a bank account, you're going to get it on the spot. If you want 100% financing, you're going to get it on the spot. And what we're targeting are the first-time homeowners. You know, the guys who want their first house
And who don't know where to begin.
and they don't know where to begin. And we've assembled like 70 of the greatest exhibitors in the property market over here. So it's a one-stop shop for every single person. It doesn't matter whether you're a young couple, individual, or looking for your second mortgage. You're gonna get it over here, and you're gonna get it in a package that suits your financial situation at that point in time. So you don't have to be very rich. You know, I mean, whatever you have, you just come with it, talk to the bank, and they're going to give you something that's special.
Direct you to the house and
you know,
you sign the dotted line.
I tell you, I've signed so many deals. I've just been taking down numbers of things I want to buy. You know, so after this, I'm really, it's
Will
really
we
good.
see this also in the counties?
It's something that it was something that was expressed to us in the morning, you know, and I was like, that sounds very interesting. Let's take it up further. So we're organizing another meeting event in the coming weeks where we're going to sit down and talk and see how we can make it a reality. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations and thank you for giving us this experience.
Thank you as well.
Don't go away, we'll be right back. And that was a glimpse of some of the exhibitors at the Expo. Let's see what we have at the home's accessories.
Today we're going to talk about the brand styling carpet is dealing with in sanitary ware. This is our ecosystem of solar, which is a 150 capacity with a single panel. This is a direct system whereby the water is heated into these tubes and then the water is stored into this tank here. One of our new products from Greece, which is solar, as you can see, it's Calpac. This is a 300 litre capacity with 2 panels. 2 panels is the purpose of quicker heating system. Here we've got the classic Victorian looking bathtub, which is also a freestanding bathtub. As you can see, it stands on its own chrome legs, which have a design on it to give it that Victorian feel. It also comes with a freestanding bath mixer with its own legs and a telephone shower. So from the size of the bathtub, you can see this can be placed in a standard bath fitting area. This is one of our old Victorian looking bathtub. It's called a classic bathtub or Victorian look. As you can see, this is also a freestanding bathtub. It's got designed legs which are in chrome, and this also comes with its own freestanding bath mixer, which you can enjoy to have on either side. It also comes with a telephone shower, so basically it's a complete set and can sit in any size of a bathroom. Here we have a freestanding bathtub. As you can see, it has no tiling done around it, so it looks luxurious on its own. So it can be placed in the bathroom anywhere and it will look a proper finished bathtub. With this you can accessorize having a bath mixer, floor mounted or wall mounted. Either could work with such a bathtub. This gives you a feel of luxury, hence nothing being around you.
Let's see other properties available on our property gallery.
Nama National Park is a gated community located off the Gong Kiserian Road in Matasia. It is 3 kilometers from Gong town. The development is on 6 acres, which comprises of 19 units of 4-bedroom maisonets, inclusive of a detached 7th quarter. Phase 1 is currently being constructed, where each unit includes a master bedroom ensuite and 2 other bedrooms with a separate bathroom upstairs. A guest bedroom, lounge, dining area and kitchen are located downstairs. A porch is also an extra feature for each unit. Other features include solar heating, boundary wall with electric fence, recreational and landscaped gardens, and parking for 2 cars. For this property, the price is 13.5 million Kenya shillings. And for anyone willing to purchase the property for investment, the current rent rate is 50,000 Kenya shillings per month. For people willing to visit the site, call us now. Sale of the units is currently ongoing. Oasis Lifestyle Apartments is set on an elevated area of Athi River that offers panoramic view of the Athi Plains. It is situated in a serene and tranquil location. It is a gated community estate consisting of 1 and 2 bedroom luxury apartments. Each apartment is spacious with modern architectural design and the highest quality finishes. Each unit offers master bedroom ensuite, modern kitchen with a pantry, spacious lounge cum dining area, laundry area, balcony for entertaining your guests, and individual water tank. Oasis Lifestyle Apartments has a boundary wall with electric fence, Cabro paved driveway, ample parking, abundant green space with children's play area. For this prime property, the price is, for the 1-bedroom apartment, 4.5 million Kenya shillings, and for the 2-bedroom apartment, 5.5 million Kenya shillings. For anyone willing to purchase the property for investment, the current rent rates range from 25,000 to 45,000 Kenya shillings per month. An oasis of calm, 5-Star Gardens is a community of 313 elegant 2- and 3-bedroom apartments set in a secure gated community. Every apartment is spacious, bright, stylish, and complete with high quality and modern finishes. The developer went an extra mile to ensure that each unit is solar compliant. Each apartment offers master bedroom ensuite, modular modern kitchen with pantry, spacious lounge with separate dining area, built-in wardrobes, and Spanish ceramic tiles. 5-Star Gardens has a boundary wall with electric fence, Cabro paved roads and parking, ample visitors car parking, borehole, solar street lights, commercial center with shops, children's playground, and manicured lawns and gardens. For this prime property, the price is, for the 2-bedroom, 5 million Kenya shillings, for the 3-bedroom, 7 million Kenya shillings.
On our recap today, we will share with you the products from CFC Stanbic Bank.
CFC Stanbic Bank. CFC Stanbic Bank and Classic 105 organized a 3-day Homes and Auto Expo at KICC. This was a great achievement for CFC Stanbic Bank, as it is the first bank to host an expo targeting first-time home buyers, real estate investors, and developers. This exciting expo attracted many Kenyans who are looking to take the first step towards home ownership and investing in the real estate market. Real estate developers such as Tamarind Properties, Imara Gardens, African Collection, and among others were on ground showcasing their properties. The CFC Stanbic Bank team was on hand offering advice and guidance to first-time home buyers, investors, and other stakeholders on finance solutions. CFC Stanbic Bank's exciting products on offer at the Expo included 13.5% interest rate on mortgages, which is the lowest in the market, 95% financing on vehicle loans, and 100% financing on home loans. With home ownership seeming out of reach for many Kenyans due to high mortgage interest rates, CFC Stanbic Bank's promise to you is that you can now own a home and other assets in a quick and seamless process. To take advantage of this great opportunity, walk into any of their 22 branches countrywide or SMS 20333 now.
Thank you for watching the Property Show. You have heard from the property experts, you have visited the Homes Expo and seen other properties available in the market. We appreciate your feedback and welcome your ideas on topics you'd like our experts to address in our future shows. You can share your views on our Facebook page or follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching and kwaheri.